In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BAL future while examining the balance or cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything in a real sense is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like balancer. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive sort of profound into the balancer value expectation and answer questions in the event that BAL is a wise venture or not, for what reason will BAL succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will balancer value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what BAL certainly is and its to-date history, or so they thought. BAL price prediction for the next 90 days. The especially entire crypto world sort of is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, or so they thought. Bitcoin by and large has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into basically more steady business sectors in a for the most part enormous manner. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find an essentially nearby base before we can move the other way and most certainly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We basically expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. Balancer price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 22.89% $5.29. 2022 November minus 41.20% $4.03. 2022 December minus 27.75% $4.96. 2023 Jan minus 23.58% $5.24. 2023 February minus 18.47% $5.59, which is genuinely critical. 2023 Mar minus 16.95% $5.70. 2023 April minus 6.70% $6.40. 2023 May minus 4.99% $6.52. 2023 June plus 5.73% $7.25. 2023 July plus 5.43% $7.23 in an unobtrusive manner. 2023 August plus 9.98% $7.55. 2023 September plus 17.60% $8.07. BAL price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees BAL coming to $13.45 in 2025. What will BAL be worth in 5 years? The cost of BAL in 5 years could for the most part lie around $12.34. Balancer token price prediction 2030 to 2040. What balancer will generally be extremely worth in 2030? Our determining model sees balancer coming to $33.62 in 2030. What balancer will be worth in 2040? Amazingly, Our determining model sees Balancer coming to $67.23 in 2040 in a quite huge manner. Will Balancer supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Balancer won't in every way that really matters, supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Balancer at any point reach $100? Indeed, Balancer could reach $100 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Could Balancer at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Balancer to really reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Balancer worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly unsafe financial planning. Contribute the vast majority of fundamentally your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Balancer generally merits purchasing. Is Balancer a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Balancer is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, most certainly dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Balancer be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $4.03. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $33.62 or significantly higher, or so they thought. For what reason will Balancer in a real sense succeed and get more expensive? Balancer has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These in a real sense are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Balancer ascending to $33.62 in 2030. For what reason will Balancer come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around planned promoting system, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected really least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw on new designers to expand on their foundation by and large. How high will Balancer go? Our determining model sees Balancer value detonating and coming to $67.23 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Balancer? Balancer will reach $4.03 in the following 90 days, which is a 41.2% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $6.86.